The news that U.S. crude oil inventories fell again went unnoticed by traders. Why? The American Petroleum Institute reported that U.S. crude oil stockpiles dropped by 1.7 million compared with the analysts' expectations for a 1.5 million barrel increase. Today's data from the U.S. Energy Department is expected to show a 1 million barrel rise. If a decline in reserves is confirmed, oil prices may well resume gains. Despite repeated speculative bursts of activity in the market, Brent crude oil continues to trade downwards. A somber mood has been prevailing since the opening of the trading week. To extend weakness, the quote needs to stay firm below the 75 mark. Otherwise, range-bound trading within a 2 and 3% is possible. Let's see if statistics on the U.S. crude oil inventories will bring the quote back up. Gold is still trading under pressure from the U.S. dollar at around $1,960 per ounce. To some extent, such behavior indicates that market participants do not seem terribly optimistic about the greenback and rather expect it to slide. From a technical point of view, gold futures have not hit new lows for about a week, which may signal that its prolonged correction is coming to an end. However, a primarily technical signal of a trend change will be generated only after the price returns above the 2000 level. Until then, the market is expected to remain in a correction. Meanwhile, the Russian currency is holding steady at around 81 rubles per dollar, and the situation is unlikely to change before Friday, as market participants will probably stay on the sidelines, awaiting the outcome of the meeting of the Bank of Russia. If the regulator leaves the key interest rate unchanged, which is the most likely scenario at the moment, the dollar will shift to 80 rubles or even below, according to estimates after fairly rapid slowdown in the price increases. Inflation seems to be accelerating again. However, the inflation data will be released only in a few hours after the Bank of Russia holds a press conference. And that's all for now. We continue to follow developments in the financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow the news with us. And see you soon.